How to make a free website using Canva quick and easy. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing day. I bring you back with yet another Canva tutorial, and in this Canva tutorial I'm going to be showing you how you can make your very own free website using Canva. So maybe you want to make your website according to your social media handle, or maybe according to your business, or it's just for your basically if you're an entrepreneur or a solopreneur and you want to make it for your website or maybe your store, and you can't really get it from any other basic e-commerce page, because obviously e-commerce page take domains from you, and domains are for money, but you don't want to spend money. You want to make it totally for free. You want to make a design out of all your imagination, but you don't want to pay any kind of money. Don't worry, I got you, because we have Canva, and Canva is going to help you through all of it. So I'm going to take you through everything. I'm going to set you up with Canva. I'm going to give you the basics of Canva. I'm going to show you how Canva works, and then I'm going to give you a whole tutorial on how you can make a website using Canva. So without further ado, let's get right into it. It's going to be very simple and easy. Just sit back and relax, and make sure to watch the whole video till the end with all the instructions, and I guarantee you by the end of this video, if you listen properly, you're going to properly know how to create a free website using Canva. So without further ado, let's get right into it. First of all, obviously we're going to go to canva.com. Now once we're in canva.com, obviously first of all we need to discuss what Canva really is. So let's see what Canva is. Canva is a free design tool. What is Canva used for? Canva is a free graphic design platform that's great for making invitations, business cards, Instagram posts, and more. A drag and drop interface makes customizing thousands of templates simple and easy. In simpler words, Canva is this free platform online that basically allows you to design anything and everything. Basically, it's a blank canvas for you, and you can make anything, like create anything you want just out of your sheer imagination. So now that we have that out on the side, let's discuss how you can use Canva. This is the main interface of Canva. It's a very user-friendly interface. You can play around with it, dabble around with it if you want to. Basically, how Canva is used is it's very easy and simple. Basically, up here you can see these different tabs that gives you the design spotlight. In the design spotlight, you can see the different templates and different designs that we can make using Canva, like logo maker, flyer maker, banner maker, etc., collage maker. Then if you come down here, we have presentations, whiteboards, posts, stories, photo editors, etc., all of that. Now we have all of that. Then if we go in our business section, in our business section, we can see all of these different business cases that we can use, or different team templates or team invitations that we can use. If you go into education, we can get educated on Canva. This is the important part, because this is plans and pricings, and in plans and pricings, we're going to go. Let's go to compare pricing, and I'm going to show you the depths of how the plans and pricings really work in Canva. So basically there are 3 plans and pricings. So there's Canva free, which is for anyone wanting to design anything on your own or with others, and it's for $0. The features are great: drag and drop editor, 250,000 plus free templates, 100 plus design types, 1 million plus free photos, etc. Invite others to design. Then if you go to Canva Pro, we can see that it's for individuals, solopreneurs, and freelance designers who want unlimited access to premium content. This is for one person only. It's $54.99 per year, but it just gives you much greater features. Now, although Canva Free gives you great templates and designs, Canva Pro gives you much more, and it's just much better. So you can get this if you want to, although there is no issue in using Canva Free. You can get Canva Pro if you want, and Canva for Teams is just Canva Pro, but for more people, basically. So yeah, that's the basic of how the plans and pricings are. You can check these features if you want to. Obviously, that's totally on you. You can check how they work, etc. So once you check them out, what we're going to do is we're going to go back to the Canva homepage to discuss what these things are. So basically, this is your homepage, which I'm going to discuss in a while. This is your templates page. Now in the templates page, basically it says on itself, you can find different types of templates. You can basically put in anything you want. For example, if you want some template regarding some football event or a cricket event, you just need to write in cricket or football, and it's going to give you tons and tons of templates regarding that text you've written. So that is how simple it is to find any type of template you want. In projects, you can find your very own projects that you have. In brand and content planner, obviously you find the pro pricings. Without the pro, you can't access these. So yeah, that's the basic of it. Now on the home page, you can find different types of designs like whiteboard, Facebook post, video, presentation. It just gives you suggestions if you want to. And down here you can see your recent designs. So yeah, that's how the home page works. Now if we move to what the original topic of the video is, what we want to do is we're gonna go and we're gonna write a website in the search bar. Now once we write website, it's gonna come here and it's gonna give us this template. Now let's click on this template. What's gonna happen is it's gonna give us tons of templates for different types of websites. Now obviously we want the free plan, so if you come down here and scroll down, we're gonna click on free. We can also choose a different color template if you want for our website, so you can choose it from here. That doesn't matter to me right now, so I'm just gonna go ahead and see whatever looks best to me. So like this looks pretty good. So I've selected that. Now it's gonna load me up over here. Now see, it's loaded up. Now we can start editing as we want. So obviously this website already looks pretty good, but let's say elements. So to add elements, what are elements? Basically elements are these small graphics that they give you. So let's say I wanna instead of this, I wanna add this. I'm just gonna add this right here. I'm gonna make it a bit smaller, and we can make it much bigger, so don't worry. Do that. There we go. Just bring this here, and then once you do that, you can play around with the text. The Westmire, let's say smart watch. Now obviously we want to emphasize on the smartwatch, so we can select the text and we can make it bold by coming up here, and we can make it italic just to make it look a bit fancier. So once you do that, you can add these different boxes by obviously how you do that. Let's take this box. Okay, we're gonna bring it here. We're gonna make it look like this. We're just gonna double click on it, and look at that, just right by now. And there you go. There you have a box. There you go. That's how simple it is to add your boxes. All you need to do is go on Elements, select a box. From there on out, just start adding stuff. Now you can add tons of different elements also. Like let's say I want to add this to the top. Let's just add it here just for fun. Now we can also play around with the opacity of the elements. Like let's say if you click on the elements, you come here, it says transparency. Look at that. You can play around with the opacity. Now if we come down here, we can mess with the different texts. Now obviously if you want to add photos from your own let's say gallery, all you need to do is go and upload an image or video. You can upload it from your desktop, and from there on out, just click it, and it's going to be automatically dragged onto your canvas over here. So let's say I want to add this PNG. It doesn't really fit in. I'm just giving you an example, but let's say I want to add this. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on it, bring it here, and then just leave it there. And look at that. It's adjusted over there. So that's how easy it is to add it to your basic website page. And then you can just go on text and play around with the different texts you have. You have amazing fonts over here, which you can just play around with. And just click on them, and they're going to be pasted over here, and then you can start messing around with them. You can also change the color, make them italic, make them underline, etc. So after you've done all that, you can publish the website from here. And to publish the website, what's going to happen is it's going to publish it, and it's going to create a free domain for you, and it's going to give you the link. And from there on out, you can also share it. Basically, you can copy the link and you can share it out with your people, or if you just want to create PNGs out of it, you can do that and download it. So yeah, that's how easy it is to make a free website using Canva. If you have any issues or queries related to this video, please let me know down in the comments and I'll help you straight away. If you want to see more videos like this, Canva related, you can let me know that as well. But yeah, until then, like the video and subscribe to the channel because it helps me out a lot. And share this around with your friends and family or anyone in need because I'm their guy. And yeah, apart from that, I hope you all keep having a great day. That was all from me, and I'll see you all next time. Goodbye.